Hi everyone, welcome to our English language channel. Today we are going to be learning new vocabulary and improving our English skill together. We know that learning a new language can be challenging, but with our help, you will be able to master the English language in no time. So, get ready to expand your vocabulary, improving your pronunciation, and enhance your overall English skills. We will be using real life examples, fun activities, and interactive lessons to make learning English a fun and engaging experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English language lessons. And if you have any question or suggestion for future lessons, let us know in the comment below.